This video will show you how to remove the pump head on a 1260 binary, quaternary, or isocratic pump. Power off the pump and remove the waste tubing. Then remove the tubing from your purge valve to your auto sampler. Next, remove the tubing to your passive inlet if it's a isocratic or quaternary pump, or your active inlet if it's a binary pump. Remove the tubing from your outlet ball valve to your damper. Next, remove the tubing from your damper to piston 2. To separate your pump head from the metering drive, use the provided Allen wrench. Loosen the bolts 2 to 3 turns at a time, moving from side to side. This action will help prevent your pistons from breaking. Once the bolts are removed, slide the pump head off the metering drive gently, tilting the front down so your pistons don't fall out. Do not remove the grease on the pistons. For more online training opportunities, please visit Agilent University. Go to agilent.com, choose Cross Labs, then choose Education.